Some of the emails are more important than others, and what you may want to do with important mails is pin them. So to do that, as I hover over, you can see that the pin icon is here in emails. So what you can simply do is you can go around and, let's say for example, pin out the emails that are important by clicking on the pin icon right here. And that stays on the top, as you can see, just like this. You can go around over here and then, let's say for example, select out an email over here as well and click on pin right here. Once you do that, you can see that it moves up on the top. You can do this with as many emails as you want. So you can go around, select multiple emails over here just like this as well, and then pin it out over here. So once you do that, you can see that 4 of them are pinned together right here. So what you can also do is select them out and then unpin them out right here. So you can go around and click on pin and unpin and they are unpinned, or you can click on the pin button again and they get unpinned and they are not on the top again. So pinning brings them to the top, and that may be for a temporary time when the email is important and you need easy access to them right here. And that is how you can pin and unpin out emails inside of Microsoft Outlook. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.